Hey people, how are you? Today we will learn how to download area chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now we can see here we created a area chart data table. Now I am select the data table, click and drag on our mouse. Then we can see here menu. Now I go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Then we can see here the setup option. Now I click the chart drop down menu and we can see here many chart. Now I am select the area chart. Otherwise you can choose the staked area chart or 100% staked area chart. Now I am select the area chart. You can customize the area chart. Go to the customization option and you can customize this. Now I am close the window. Then go to the more option and click this download chart option. Now I download as a PDF format. Click this PDF option and we can see here the downloaded file. Now I am open the PDF in another tab, drag on another tab and we can see here the area chart we downloaded very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.